Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Patty. I do fashion, beauty, and lifestyle videos, and I hope you subscribe. Today's video, I'm gonna go ahead and be doing an unboxing. Alright guys, the month of May is finally over. We're finally in June, and I'm gonna go ahead and share with you guys all the products that I received in the month of May. Alright, so the first package here is from Discount Glasses. They sell a ton of sunglasses. If you guys want me to do a video with my favorite sunglasses for the summer or for any occasion, any season, please comment down below and let me know. I am a sunglass hoarder. I'm at the point that I have no idea how to store my sunglasses anymore. They're kind of just in some kind of clear plastic bag because I've run out of space. So in case you didn't know, I'm a big sunglasses lover. So let me know if you guys want to see a video with affordable sunglasses, more high-end sunglasses. I have them all for you guys. So let's go ahead and open up the first box. All right, let's go ahead and open this up. Okay, so they sent over some pink mirrored sunglasses, and this brand is West End. They do have a ton of different brands on the site, and these pink ones are like perfect for summer. It's very hard to see the color because of the ring light, but these are super, super cute. Next up, this package is from Michael Todd Beauty. I fell in love with their products when they sent over last month, if you saw that unboxing, the Sonny Claire Petite facial brush. I love that brush. So this time they sent over a different tool, and I'm so excited to open this and see what's inside. Okay, so this is their Sonic blend. And like I said, I really love their Sonny Claire Petite. So another tool of theirs. I'm very excited to try. Let's go ahead and open this up. Alright, so again, just like the Sonny Claire Petite, it came in a case, and I love this because when you travel, your makeup brushes or whatever tool just doesn't get messed up. So I like this hard case shell. I really like the little marble design. It's very sleek, very pretty. So it says here that it has 3 speeds, and it's cordless rechargeable, which is great for traveling. This tool, I've heard a lot about it. I've seen a ton of other beauty gurus use this, and I'm very excited to try this. Let me know in the comments down below if you guys want to see a video of my first impressions and giving this brush a try. I'll be happy to share that video with you guys. Okay, this next box here is from GOOP, and they sell a ton of like skincare and body lotions, and they went over and sent so this is sunscreen, and it's for babies. So my little Leah is going to be covered for the summer here. They sent over 2. One is like a stick, and the other one is like a lotion, and it's SPF 50, and it's for babies and kids. They also sent over this cute little hat. Now the only issue is going to be keeping this hat on her because she hates having hats on, but this is really cute to block the sun. All right, thank you GOOP. This is going to come in handy this summer. Next up, it's a box from MURAD. They've been sending over stuff every month. Thank you so much. They have the best skincare products. I just love using their stuff. I want to film a nighttime routine, and you guys see I have a ton of their products in that routine. So let's go ahead and open this up. All right, MURAD, let's see what's inside the box. All right, so there's 3 products here. Let's just take them all out. Alright, so this is their 4-in-1 multi-cleanser, and I believe this is the one I've used before. Yes, I've used this cleanser before. This cleanser is so good. I love to use it at night, and I believe it comes together with the spray. Yes, this facial mist, this thing smells amazing. I love using these two at night after I've worn makeup for an entire day or just have any dirt on my face. These two products are great. They're a part of my nighttime skincare routine. And then this here, now this is their replenishing multi-acid peel. Now this I've never tried before. It says to use at night, just use with a cotton pad and just sweep it all over the face, neck, and chest. I'm definitely excited to try this, and maybe I can do a video on this and report back to you guys and see how I like this. Alright guys, last but not least, this box is from INFLUENSTER. They went ahead and they sent me a Mother's Day little gift box. And I'm so excited to show you guys what's inside. I did open it already, and they have such a ton of cool stuff in here to kind of pamper mom. If you guys didn't know, I'm a mom to a almost 10-month-old now. And let's see what they sent inside for mom. Let me just show you guys what's inside the box. Let's just move this over. So this first one here is from Eva, New York City. I actually like this brand a lot. And this is a shampoo. I've tried their dry shampoo before, and it's so great. And this here is a probiotic. This is nice. And also Shea Moisture 2-in-1 Foaming Milk and Body Wash. This probably smells amazing. And then this here is from Copper Tone, and it's pure and simple, hyperallergenic and gentle. And last but not least in the box, they sent over some Kleenex wipes. So this is just a nice little kit, and I like that they sent this over for Mother's Day. And that's all the boxes for the month of May. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget you can subscribe to my channel. The link is down below. And don't forget you can follow me on social media, Patties_Closet. And don't forget to follow my blog, PattiesCloset.com. There I share more fashion, more beauty, and lifestyle content. See you guys in my next video.